You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. You are in the middle of, going to be an eating fest for me because I am a huge fan. I don't know what to say. You're in the middle of... No, you're at the beginning of watching me devour these. I'm a huge peanut brittle fan. Now, I went back to my original video because I made a video of this back in 2011, I think. I don't remember. Let me take a quick gander. Why not? Because I found it very interesting. Well, one, that I remember making a video of this. Let's see. Content, search. Now, is it La Canasta? La Canasta? I don't know. Canast. Isn't Canasta a game? Okay, there it is. 11 years ago. And there was a lot of good comments because people have said, oh, we have this in our country. It's called something else. This is better fresh at the market. And another person is better fresh making it yourself. And I would agree on all of those. But I don't have that option. I got these at Woodman's recently. I saw this and I said, ooh, I think I've done that. But in the video, I talk about the ingredients. And it's good to see. Ooh, turn off the ad. Ad being turned off. Okay, skip. It won't let me skip. So 2 ads I could not skip. There it is, skip.
You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Let's see.
Hey, my mouth is water.
My mouth is water.
Pumpkin seed, sesame seed, sugar, and glucose.
Okay, that right there.
$1.69.
It's $1.69.
Every penny, I think. Seeds, candy.
So this is mixed seeds candy.
Is peanut, pumpkin
This is
seed,
peanut.
sesame seed, sugar, and glucose.
Peanut. Okay, so the ingredients have changed.
Worth every penny, I think.
Let's try that again.
This one here is a variety of nuts. It says mixed seeds candy. And in there is peanut,
Yes.
pumpkin seed,
Okay.
sesame seed, sugar, and glucose.
Now this says
It was
peanut,
$1.69. Worth
sugar, sesame seed, then pumpkin seeds, and then glucose. So the sugar switched. This one has more sugar, I guess. And the arrangement of the seed switched as well. Interesting. Now in the video, I cut it open, so that's what I'm going to do, because I do not want to crack this. I want a completely intact imported Mexican candy. Oh boy. Oh, the smell just hit me. The smell of the sugar and the smell of the nuts. It's definitely shrunk wrapped on. I almost just want to, once I get it out, just smash it on the countertop so we could all enjoy the crackling of the... Look at that beauty. Look at that little piece of plastic. Don't want to eat the little piece of plastic. Ooh, look at that. Let's set that one there. Now this one is just peanut candy. And the ingredients are peanut, sugar, and glucose. It's not as shrunk as well. Still shrunk, but not as well. It's a little looser in the packaging. When I bought these, I was at, like I said, Woodman's, and I was very cautious of putting them in the cart. They got their own bag. They didn't get thrown around. Oh, yes. Come on. You are free from the packaging. You see little holes here and there, so it's a flat disc. There's a little piece of plastic everywhere there. Well, actually, that's part of the melted sugar. It's like a caramel. Look at those. Now I've had this one, but I don't remember. That's a lot of years ago. I do want to drop it though. Let's just do a slow-mo drop. Countertop is clean, just so we could see it. what it does. Back the camera up slightly. I've had it before, but you do see all the nuts. They're very 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seeds on that side. I counted that one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, maybe 18 pumpkin seeds. There's a little tiny one there, a little tiny one there. But the rest is mainly peanuts. Peanuts, get your peanuts. Peanuts, get your peanuts. So we have peanuts, sugar, sesame seed, pumpkin seeds. Where are the sesame? Oh, there are. Okay, all mixed in. Before I destroy this, let's get a super close-up so you can investigate. Color's going to change slightly. There are little pumpkin seeds. Let me grab my sesame seeds. They're all over, interspersed, mixed in. There's a grouping there. Some there. Definitely there. Ooh. You see those videos where everybody scrapes. They take bread and they scrape it. Everything scrape, 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 scrape. Okay, here we go. Let's just do it from about here and see how bad it breaks. Ooh, broke very nicely. That'll be a nice little video. Alright. So, there was one comment on that video where I didn't mention there's chewing sounds at the beginning. But there's chewing sounds because I need to try this again and relive it. How many years later? 14 years later? Just like I don't remember it. Very good though. Another bite? I really just taste the peanut. I don't really taste, I guess there's a hint of the sesame, but no way do I taste the pumpkin seed. All right, let's put this on here. I guess I just have to break the other one because that's the cool part of it all. All those little scraps went in the garbage. So this one I know it's going to taste like peanuts. So let's do another drop. Let's do a sideways drop like this. Let's see how the disbursement is. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, plastic. Don't want to eat plastic. 4. Oh, a sideways drop. There we go. That one was good. Went all the way to the back drop. Okay, let's give this one a taste. I'm guessing it shouldn't taste the same. That's a big piece. And guess what? It doesn't taste the same. My jaw just cracked. It definitely does not taste the same. The other one has hints of stuff, which is hard for me to really gather as to what is that. But it must be those little additions make a difference. And you can see the color is pretty close. Well, you can see a lot more of the little seeds on the bottom here. Which one do I like better? So I'm going to say I like this one better. And it's not like peanut brittle. To me, depending on where you get the peanut brittle and who makes it, there's a lot more brittle. A lot more sugary, and it's a little less what do I want to say? This is crisper and a cleaner looking binder than the peanut brittle that I know of. It's a little milkier looking. And you get a lot more. They put a lot less peanuts in it. I know that for a fact. Unless you make it for yourself, which we have done. I usually make cashew brittle, or I have made cashew brittle and other brittles. Usually don't go with the peanuts, though. All right, well, there you go. La Canasta. Is that how you pronounce it? La Canasta? Let me know what you think. Have you had them? Let me know where you get them and what market. And do you make it? Where's your recipe? I'd like to try it. And as always, thanks for watching and supporting me. Well, I'm not done. Surprisingly, remember I said I was going to go look for more stuff? Well, I was walking through a local grocery store and I saw this one. It's just plain sesame seeds candy in like a brittle from the same company. It was $1.99. Let's see. Yeah, those are just sesame seed, sugar, and glucose. That's all that's in this one. It looked tasty. I like the taste of sesame seeds. Even sesame seed oil, which is good. I cook with that a lot, depending on what I'm cooking. So I thought, well, add it now so that I can show you all three. So let's get into this one. By the way, there's going to be some chewing noise in this video and some very crunchy sounds when I give this one a try. I still have the other ones. They actually made it to a glass. Here, I'll show you. A Pyrex. I had them in a Pyrex with the labels upstairs so everybody in the family could try them. And I grabbed them and said, "Ooh, I better do this and show this." And I've already edited the video originally, and I've already had it up on YouTube, and I'm going to have to take that one down and then re-edit it with this at the end. And all those other ones had the cool, well, the other two had that cool drop. Remember when it smashed? And they ended up having slow motion as well. Here, I cut off the little round label so the family knows what they're trying. Should I do a drop with this one? Probably. I've done a drop with all the other ones. I mean, with the other two, it's not that many. And what happened was, I was rewatching. When I dropped it the second time, it stuck to my finger. And then it kind of fell like that and didn't do a really good drop. Let's do it. Here we go. And we'll put this one in slow motion too. So there'll be 3 slow motion drops in one video. Hopefully it doesn't stick to my finger. Here we go. Ooh, that one's pretty solid. It was the same height. Okay, a little higher now. Okay, so this one is definitely going to be super crunchy. It's very dense. Like these, there's more stuff going through all the little veins around the peanuts and seeds. But this is one solid chunk. Here we go. It's harder to chew, but you really taste the sesame seeds now because that's all you're getting. Let me take another bite. It's almost like a soft hard chew. I don't know, it's hard to explain. You get the crispy sugar in there, but the seeds aren't. It's good flavor, but it's not my favorite. I think I'm going to stick with the mixed seeds. I haven't had them today. Let me give this one a try. Yeah, that one by far is my favorite. So I'm going to say in order, ranking them in order, mixed seeds, peanut, and sesame seeds will be last. So now I've tried all 3. Are there more? Let me know if you've seen more. I won't add them to this video because this one's got to go live soon. Let me just snap it. It's a different kind of snap than this. Different sound when it snaps. Alright, so you gotta let me know. I keep eating it. It's not that I don't like it, I like it. It's just not my favorite. Alright, I won't eat any more. Well, there you go. An update to a video that I just made. Pulled from YouTube, and then I'm re-uploading. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.